A very good morning and welcome back to a new vlog on my channel Living Beyond the Lines with Swati. This is my day 3 in Goa and कल रात को बहुत थक गए थे and सो गए थे उसके बाद it is now almost 8:30. I am all set for the day. अब थोड़ी देर बाद हम जाएंगे ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए और उसके बाद at around 10:15, 10:30 we will be leaving for our whatever are their itineraries and plans for the day. And behind you can see everybody is enjoying swimming in the pool. हम शाम को जाएंगे फिर. We will be going to few of the churches over here, the famous churches over here and Fontaniers. And after that we will leave for a cruise also. We'll plan for a cruise. अब देखते टाइम से पहुंचने के बाद ही all these are possible. So lots of things are planned up. देखते आगे आगे दिन. It's going to be a very exciting day. Stay with me and keep watching. और थोड़े देर बाद अभी पुपुल उठे अभी थोड़े देर पहले. He was too exhausted. और अब वो गए वॉशरूम. He'll take his bath, he'll get ready. Then at around 9:15 we may be able to leave for our breakfast. I'll give you a view of from the balcony. See, people are swimming over there. 8 से 8 बजे तक ये पूल खुला रहता है. But the only thing is, I mean, high chlorine is there. कल गए थे ना तो I could really feel it. And look at the beautiful lovely flowers all around. बहुत सारे flowers हैं and these are the hotels rooms. यहाँ पे भी है, side पे भी है and we are at the back side. So this is our breakfast today, and this is Pupul's. So we are here at Basilica of Born Jesus. This is the old building and it is said to be the wonder of Baroque architecture and Portuguese colonial architecture. It is also considered to be one of the Portuguese origin 7 wonders, best 7 wonders of the world of Portuguese origin. and on the other side is that one, the new one. Basilica of Born Jesus, considered to be one of the wonders of Portuguese origin, 7 wonders of Portuguese origin of the world, and its outstanding Baroque architecture and colonial Portuguese architecture actually attracts everybody over here. So we are here. This is the original church, and it said that the remains of Saint Francis Xavier is over here. A World Heritage Monument, it's been considered. So it's been said that as I was telling you, the remains of Saint Francis Xavier is still here, and it defied the natural laws of after his death of getting the body turned into dust, and it's as per the very belief, but it's one of the World Heritage Monument, as you can say. Before entering inside, we are just going over to offer our prayers. I mean, wonderful, and gives a touch of that old age. It gives you the feeling of that those old times. Look at the building. It's awesome, awesome. See a huge line over here, and we have already been there, seen the remains of Saint Francis Xavier also. The feeling inside was awesome. We were not allowed to take much of the clippings, or videography was also not allowed, yet I tried to do a little of it. So this is the surrounding, and look at the architecture. How do you like it, Popul? Look at the architecture. Have you seen? Have you seen the architecture?
The ancient architecture actually looks very pretty.
Yes, yes, yes. And look at the long queue now. We came well on time. So now we are at the Panjim Church at Panaji, the capital of Goa. It is closed from inside. We'll just move in a little and take a look. We'll just climb up a little and go down, because andar to you won't be able to. There's a no entry board also. See the beautiful church here.